Right, everyone. This is a quick demonstration on how to switch out the pin loop on the Supernote Manta. So we will go ahead and take the provided screwdriver and we will put that in here. And we will go ahead and unscrew this really quickly. Well, they are small screws, so you have to have decent eyesight to get that done, but not too bad. And then all you do is pull the loop out. And then you take your replacement loop. This one is smaller. You push that in. And then you will go ahead and put your screws back in. First, I'm going to have to lean forward here so that I can see the holes. That's all you got to do. Put your screws right there. And I wouldn't tighten them too tight, just a little quarter turn past. Once it catches, and now you have your new loop.